Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today in this video I will do a follow up again the task monthly in February. So the teacher asked uh, this topology. So this material is about making a OSPF area, and the second is make a net dynamic for all router nearby the client, and the last is making a minimum five protocol from this topology. This topology is normally, yeah, I make this list material. First is ether channel in switch 2 and 3, and I make PTP also in switch 2 and 3, and trunking from switch 2 to switch 3, and then making switch 2 to router 4, and then switch 1 trunking to router, and then I make a port security shutdown in switch 3, and then the last is inter VLAN routing, VLAN 30 and 40, make a encapsulation.1q in router 3 to uh, 10 30.2 until 3, and then 40.2 until 3. So first I will explain from the router nearby the server. So first I will explain first how to make the OSPF area. So first you make you choose the interface pass Ethernet. You can write this in your router interface range pass Ethernet from 0/0 until 1, and pass Ethernet 1/0 1/0 goes to server, and /0/0 and 0/1 goes to router 2 and router 3. And then no reverse is no shutdown. Okay, and then you an IP make an IP address from this the network 12.12.12.0, and in 0/0 is 11.11.11.0. As you can see in here, 0/0 11.11.11.1. What's this? And 0/1 12.12.12.1, and goes to server 100.100.100.1, and don't forget to add the subnet mask. For making IP address, We make OSPF area. Routing OSPF area. First, we're gonna do routes, route OSPF. Don't forget the number as number, autonomous system number. And then add the network, add the IP address. And add the network. The area is 0 because this is the area backbone. This is area 1 and this is area 2. After that, making IP address in here. You're also making the IP address in here. Config do show run like this. All cable connecting to this router, making the IP address. Clicking all, and don't forget the network. Don't forget to router OSPF1. Don't forget the IS number. Also in here. Config do show run. As you can see in here, all already make it. Don't forget the network. So I will explain the area. This router connected to 4 cables. 2 goes to backbone and 2 goes to area 1. And in here goes to backbone, and the last 2 cables goes to area 2. So you fill the network in here, level 11 and 13. These are 0, and then you fill again the 2 cable is past Ethernet 1/0 and 1/1. Fill it with area 2. This is connecting to this area. And same like the area 2, it will be connecting in area 1. Also in here, this all making area 1. In here, you making 2 config do show run. Have address and the network. 2 cable goes to area 1 and 2 cable goes to area 2. We are already making all OSPF area. You can test ping to the server. It will be successful. You want to test ping. It's coming from ping road 2. It will be successful. All you can trace it. Now I trace it will be last. So, and then the second make a dynamic NAT. So, how to make a NAT dynamic? How is to make a NAT dynamic? You must make it near by the client, like in here, router, and then goes to switch, and switch goes to client. Same like here, there's 2 client, router goes to client, and then from router goes to switch, and then goes to client. So I will here config do show run. I will explain again. So in here, the first how to make a NAT dynamic. First, you make an access list permit to the IP or the network. You write the IP, you fill the IP, and then fill the subnet mask. But in here, you use the fill card. After that, making access list, making IP NAT. Or the first is make IP NAT pool TKJ. IP NAT pool, the TKJ is name. You can make it randomly. You can make it air war as you want, and 3232 until this the transition to public network. And don't forget the NAT. After that, making the access list, and then making the IPNet inside source list one for the name, and then the last is make IP routes randomly. The 00 is will be all of the IP from 00 until 255, and the 12.12.1 it will be the goes to server, goes to this way. Right now we'll test ping successful, and then trying again ping from this router to all, and then you can test do show IP NAT status first. Not status, register to make it short. As you can see in here, there's hits and miss. The hits is 42 and miss is 44, and expired transition is 40. And then go to do show IP NAT show IP NAT translate, and see first the inside 32 the dot 10 is the inside global, and then inside local in here in client, and is already the translate 32.10. Also in here testing config to show IP NAT status is missed, and there's hit allocated like this, inside, outside, and ping is failed. I don't know why, maybe the configuration error, but as you can see in here, if you do show IP NAT translate, it will be translate. Maybe that's all for me. To explanation in for the list material, I'm already explained it in Superlab, my first Superlab about all about switching. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.